Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I already discussed about that things with you, how can display your author in our menu option area and also how can display the date. So right now I want to display all that our post from our backend and display that things on here with the images, title. Okay. So all that hot news will be visible on particular that position, all that top viewed news will be visible on here, all that our categorized news will be visible on particular that area with this same layout. Okay. And also here there is a popular news. So how can actually display all the things step by step? I will cover each and everything with you. So for before doing all the things, we need to add some of the demo data. So for now in this video, I just want to insert some of the demo data for our project. Then I will display all that our demo data news on particular that position. Okay. So then it will be interactive. For doing this, like there is our dashboard. In our dashboard, I just print something. Okay. For the reasons actually it's now visible on here. So that is our admin. So if you go to that position, so that is our public resources and the view in the admin folder, and into the admin here you can see there is a dashboard plate. So here I just print our shared data. So now I remove our shared data from here and now click on the save all, and if you now refresh it, yeah, now you can see it's now gone from to this position. So I already created some of the categories. Like if you go to the categories for education purpose, I'm creating some of the sports, the mobile category, football, cricket. Okay. So I created some of the category and all the status is now actually published. So now I want to insert some of the post with this category. Like go to the post. So that is our all that post. Right now I have only the two posts. Okay. So now I want to add some of the demo posts. Like if you go to the create, and here there is a title. So for now I want to do like here, I just copy it. Okay, I just copy it as a title. So I just define that things as a like sports. Okay, and then I just want to put some of the short description. So I just copy the short description, and then our description I just put some of the description, and also I want to browse some of the images. So you can get all that images for educational purpose. I am actually using that news. Okay, like here if you go to the template, see in our exercise file, that is our actually project template. And in our project template, if you go to the font, so all that font images you get that things from here. There is a font asset, there is the images. You can see there's all that images. So right now I actually copy some of the image from here and I just added that things in our exercise file, and there is our demo picture. So in our demo picture here you can see I just added some of the images on here. So what of the image you like, you can actually choose it. Right now I am actually want to use that images. For doing this, like here I just click on the browse, and now in our exercise file, so that is our exercise file, and in our exercise file that is our demo picture. Okay, so now I want to do like here, better I just defining it. So now first of all I just want to use this image, so I just open it. Now I just click on the submit. So here you can see that is our images, that is a title. So this is actually created by the admin. So there is a total view and the status. So right now that is actually published. So I also better want to publish these two of these images. Okay, post. So I just click on the published. So now I want to create another one. Like click on the create, and here I want to go for now this one. So I just copy it, and here I just define the title. So I just define some of the short description. Okay, so I just define the short description, and then there should be our description, and for the this one I just define this image. I just click on the open, click on the submit. So here there is our another post. So I hope you can well understand about it, what exactly the things I want to do. Right now I want to insert some of the demo data, and laterly I will actually display all that post in our front end area. Okay, so right now I want to actually pause this video and on to insert some of the demo post in our particular that position. So when it should be done, then I will come back again. So friend, here I just added some of the demo data. Here you can see I just added some of the demo data by as the author admin, and also we have another author. Like if you go to that author position, and here you can see we have also there is a blogger, there is actually editor. So right now I want to create some of the posts by that editor. Okay, then it will be better. So that is our kazi@gmail.com. So now I first of all I want to log out from here, and then I want to click on the login. And now here I want to log in as an author, okay, like as a kazi@gmail.com. So here I just define 2346, and then I just click on the sign in. So right now I am logging with the author, and you can see for the author I already added some of the permissions. He cannot actually access all that other pages, like there is a post. So in our post, for the now I want to create some of the posts by this author. Okay, so here like I just name it as this one. So I just define the title, and I just put some of the short descriptions. I just copy and define. For right now I just define the category as a mobile category, and here I just define the description, and there is a browse some of the images. So here I just define that this image, click on the submit. Okay, so now you can see this post actually created by the Kazi. So in the Kazi that is actually the authors, that is actually the admin. Okay, so now I want to create another one. So go here and I just copy it, and now I just define it, and now I just select as a mobile category, and then I just put some of the short description, and then I just put the descriptions. If you want to bold it, you can bold that things from here. Okay, so now I just click on the browse image, select it, and now click on the submit. So I also want to create some of the post with this author. Okay, so when it should be done, then I will come back again. So friend, here I just created some of the posts. You can see that is created some of the posts as a Kazi. So there is the author, and also created some of the posts as admin. And also after the 10, it's automatically our pagination I just added on here. Okay. So here I define our data table. So for the reasons in our data table, they have some of the options, like after the 10, automatically it will be going to the next. So if you click on here, that will be redirected to the next page. Okay. So now that is our first page, and now here I want to do like here actually that white, I just want to actually reduce that white. Then our all that option button will be the single row, like that is our backend, that is the post list page. So if you go to that, our admin, and our that is our post, and there is our list, and with the list here I already defined some of the white. Okay, like here you can see for now I want to actually reduce that white. There is a hot news, so here I just define our hot news on here, like there is a publish button, that is our put. Okay, so that is actually our hot news. You can see there is actually hot news. So here I just defined one of the style. Here I just copy it. Okay, I just copy it, and here I define that style as a 5%. I just define that white. So now click on the save all, and if you now refresh it, yeah, now you can see now it's actually become the small sizes, and here that is perfectly onto the line. Okay, so that's all that option for the comment, that is edit and the delete. So it's perfect. So I hope you can well understand about it. So right now I want to click on the logout, and now I want to log in with our admin. So I just define that login, and here our admin email is admin@gmail.com, and I just define the password, and now click on the login. And here you can see when you click on the login, all that privilegization now you can actually access. I hope you can well understand about it. Okay, so right now in this video I just added some of the demo posts. So here if you go to that post, so all that our demo post, so now I want to actually visible all that post in our font end. So like first of all here I want to display all that are popular news. Okay, all that popular news will be visible on particular that position with the same layout. So how can do that work? In our next video I will show you that things with the live example. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.